Hello guys, welcome to PGEUP. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Today we are going to show you how to make money by just selling your own photos. And again, if you don't want to sell your own photos, no problem. I will be showing you where you can go and get all the pictures for free and upload to this website and start making money. So the first thing you need to do is to go to this website called PGEUP.com. It is also available on the App Store, so you can download it. So basically, this is an app where you can see millions and high-resolution photos on sale. So there are basically two kinds of people on this website. Number one, there are people who are looking to buy different photos, and every single day there are hundreds of people looking online for photos to buy or shop online. And the second group of people are the sellers, the ones who take the photos and upload them on this website. So this is how you make money on this website. And don't worry, I am going to show you how exactly you can make money on this website without uploading your own photos, all for free. So you don't need to take your own photos. You don't need any graphic skills at all. So first of all, you need to sign up on PGEUP as a creator by clicking here on the PGEUP icon, and it will take you to this page right here, and then go to the other side and click on sign up. As you can see, you can sign up as a creator or a business. So follow the process to sign up and sign up as a creator. Now once you are done signing up, go to this website right here. It is called Pixabay.com. This website is actually a free website where all the photos and videos on this website are totally free to use, both for commercial purpose. As you can see, there are high quality pictures all for free to use on this website. All you need to do is go to the search bar and search for a particular niche or picture you want and download it in a high quality format, all for free, and upload it on PGEUP.com and start making money. And another website you can get free high quality photos is called Pixabay.com. This website is totally free with very high quality photos from all niche. All you need to do is search and download high quality definition pictures and just go back to PGEUP.com and upload these pictures, and you can start making money, guys. And just before we finish, there is another website similar to PGEUP, which is also free to sign up and make money by uploading photos. This website is called Shutterstock.com. So all you need to do is create an account with them. Click right here on the sign up button and you can sign up with your email address, which is very easy. And guys, you can upload the same photos both on PGEUP.com and this website, and you will be able to increase your sales altogether. Just like I've showed you the process on how to get free photos, you don't need your own personal photos at all. So guys, take advantage of this right now. Put your time into it and get that money. Don't sit around wasting your time doing nothing. So if you miss out on any of the process we just talked about in the video, just go back and watch the video again. It is totally free to watch. Okay guys, that is it for this video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any new video when we post a new video. And if you have any questions, put them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.